Good morning, everyone. The time now 7:56. Breaking news out of the tropics. We now have our 5th tropical storm of the season. Say hello to Tropical Storm Erin. This is that depression we were watching way out by Africa with winds of 40 miles per hour. This is some 3,500 miles away from us here in South Florida. But it is forecast to get stronger over the next several days and through the weekend. And we're going to have to watch this one closely, as by early next week it's expected to continue to move towards the Caribbean through the Atlantic. Still watching this low pressure system in the Gulf or the Caribbean, expected to move into the Gulf of Mexico. It now has an 80% chance for development, and it's going to bring us rain over the next 24 to 48 hours. So we're increasing our chance for scattered showers throughout the day today as well as into tomorrow. Chris?